All right, we are gonna make a walnut pumpkin seed pesto pasta with roasted broccoli. It is so delicious and great for recovery.
Awesome.
Recovery nutrition is so important, and I love this easy to prepare savory dish as the perfect post-workout meal packed with protein and fiber. This walnut pumpkin seed pesto is so versatile. You can use it on sandwiches, and you can thin it with pasta cooking water to make a sauce, or you can just toss it straight up with cooked pasta and any seasonal veggies. Now that we've roughly chopped the Parmesan and the greens, we can add our liquid ingredients to get it blended really smooth. So we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, then my favorite, olive oil.
There we go.
I always double this pesto recipe so you have a few weeknight dinners on hand. It also freezes great for future meals.
I love how you can smell the garlic, the lemon, and the basil.
Smells so good.
Yeah, it's so fresh.
And just like that, you have a lunch or dinner, a little Parmesan fresh on top.
Fresh, it's delicious.
So good.
Thank you.